Hey guys, so today we're doing another Wiffle game, and it's the cats versus the hogs this time. We're doing bad toss now. I don't know that first.
That first.
All right. Hit. Man, I'm first. One 0. 2-0 count. Foul. 2-1. 2-2. Remove. 2-2 count. Fair. Man on third and second. And Miles has a run limit of 8. Ball 1. Foul ball.
Oh, wow.
3-run homer. 3-0. Ball 1.
Do you?
Ball 1.
Do you? I want to find it. Do you have a lot of it?
Hit. Man on first. Man on first. 3-0. Hit. Man on first and second. 6-0.
Wow.
2 more points and it's the limit. Ball 1.
Oh.
Man on first.
0 out. This is killing me.
I'll go one-handed. Ball 1.
I tried to go overhand like the last time. Are you still videoing me?
Yeah. Ball 2. Ball 3. 3-1.
Man on first?
I'm still videoing.
Okay.
Man on first and second. Ball 1.
Terrible.
Ball 2.
You know, I thought it was 2-2 already.
Oh, I don't know.
What was it, Miles? Now it's 3-2.
3-2, full count. Walk.
Got a bell.
Bases loaded.
Oh my gosh.
Ball 1.
I'm gonna go underhand.
7-0 because the bases were loaded. Strike 1. Ball 1. That's the limit. 8-0. That didn't count.
Foul ball.
Strike 1. Fair ball.
Foul.
1 out. Foul. Strike. 2.
Foul.
0-2 still.
Man on first.
Man on first. 1 out. 8-0. 8-0. Man on.
Oh my gosh!
2 out. 2-0.
Got hit. Man on first.
2-0. Cause 2-0. 1 out. Or 2-0. 2 outs.
Yeah,
Yeah.
2 out. Man on first.
Man on first. 2-0. Or 2-8.
Foul.
Strike 1. 2-8. 2 outs. Strike 2.
Cut. Foul.
Strike 2. Okay. Ball 1. Ball 2. 2-2 count.
Oh yeah. Woo, baby!
4. 4-8, I think. 4-8. 2 outs, 4-8. 3 outs.
Bottom of the first over.
Second inning now. Strike 1.
I'll just swing at everything then.
I will too.
He didn't need it. It's so hot, I don't have to run the bases.
9-8.
1 out.
1 out. Top of the second, 1 out. Strike 1. 9-4 is the score.
Oh.
Strike 2. Strike 2. Ball 1. 1-2 count.
Yes.
Strike 3. 2 outs. 2 outs. Ball 1. Ball 1. Ball 2. 2 balls. Strike 1.
Oh, I got it. Yeah. 3 out. Ball.
Ball 1.
Score's 9-4. Fair? Oh my.
1 out.
Can I swing?
Yeah. Strike 1. Strike 2. Strike 3. 2 outs. 2 outs, bottom of the second. Oh. Oh, count.
Foul ball.
There.
Oh really?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, your aim is amazing.
3 outs. Top of the third. Because Miles got a probably top 10 play.
Is that a 1?
Nope. Man on first. 9-4 is the score. Foul ball. Strike 1. Get him out.
Force out.
Force out.
Man on second.
First base. Or man on second.
The stove
1 out.
smoke.
1 out.
Foul.
Foul. Strike 2. 1-2 count.
Oh.
2-2 count.
Yes.
Strike 3. 2 outs. 2 outs. 9-4. Cats are winning.
Oh. Yeah.
Foul ball. Strike 1, I think. Strike 1. 2 outs. Man on second.
No. Oh, I got him. Third out.
Third out. 9-4 is the score. Strike 1. Bottom of the third one, strike 0 outs. Strike 2. Strike 2.
Oh my God. That was great.
Strike 3. Slam. I hit a grand slam off you.
Oh!
Strike one. Go.
Are you
Strike.
kidding me?
Strike one. Strike three. 2 outs.
Are-
Strike one. That hit the pipe. One strike. 1-1 count.
Ball.
Ball 2. I'm winning 9-4. Strike 2. 2-2 count. 2-2 count.
Yes.
Full count.
Yes. Man on first.
Man on first.
Yes.
Don't go.
Man on first and second.
Man on first and second. Ball 1. They hit her hand.
Oh yeah. Woo!
3-run homer.
7 to 9.
7-9. Strike 1. 1 strike. Strike 2. 0-2 count.
Man on first.
No.
Hit my arm.
And first 2 outs. Strike 1.
Oh my gosh.
She went. Strike 1. Strike 2.
Ball 1.
Ball 1. 2-2 count.
Full
Full
count.
count. Full count, man on first.
Yeah!
Tie ball game.
Okay, 9 to 9.
Tie ball game. And a rule is, if it goes to extra innings, then we're only doing 1 out.
Tie ball game.
The entire season we're doing that. Strike 1.
Oh,
Strike 2.
that was exactly
Strike
down the pipe.
3.
All right, new inning.
Extra innings, 4th inning, 1 out now. We're doing 1 out now because it's extra innings. Top of the 4th, extra innings, 9 to 9. Ball 1.
Oh my gosh.
Man on first.
Serious video.
Okay. Ball 1. Ball 1. Man on first and second now. Man on first and second, 9 to 9. Strike 1. Foul ball. Strike 1. That was actually strike 2.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
3-run,
Wasn't out. I would have been so mad.
3-run homer, I think.
3 points, 12 to 9.
12 to 9.
Ball.
Ball 1. 1-0.
That was a reach.
First.
Man on first. That would have hit him if he wouldn't have took his hand out. Man on first, 12 to 9. Cats are winning.
Oh my god.
That's a home run.
No, it isn't.
Nope.
What?
Man on first. No, it's like hitting the wall at Busch Stadium.
Man on first and second. All right, go. Strike 1. 12 to 9 is the score. Man on first and second.
Hit again. Man on first, second, third.
Bases loaded.
Dang it. Oh my.
Foul. Strike 2 or 1? Is that strike 2? Strike 2.
You swung. Oh, you're
Strike
out.
3.
Yeah.
12 to 9, bottom of the 4th. But she only has 1 out. Strike
Wow.
1. That went into
Oh
the
my
strike zone. Strike 2.
Are you
That was way too early.
That was an amazing pitch. 2-1.
1-2 count.
1-2, sorry. That's game.
Cats win. The Cats win 12 to 9.